What up, guys? I'm back again with another money making website. So today's website, guys, is gonna pay you just to share your homeworks, assignments, and study guides, guys, and etc., guys, and multiple language content, guys. It is accepted here on this website. This website is gonna pay you up to $10 to share those things, guys, with them. So this website is for those who are still in school or just finished school, guys, or those who have old notes, homework, or study guides, guys. So you're gonna make money on this website. Simple and straightforward, guys. So this website is willing to pay you just to share your homeworks or your notes that you've just written in the class. So guys, they're gonna pay you $10 for doing that, guys. It is simple and straightforward, guys. You just come over to this website. Its name is Study Pool. After you've come to this website, you're gonna register, and then after registration, guys, you can register manually or by your Gmail account, guys. After registering, guys, you're gonna be directed to this dashboard right over here. Where's what I want you to do, right? You're gonna click these three lines and on your right hand corner, guys, click them and then click sell documents, guys. Click sell doc. Then after that, guys, you'll see these. You'll be redirected to this page where it says earn money by sharing your study documents. This website is gonna pay you to share your study documents, guys. So you can earn passive income by sharing documents with millions of node subscribers. You can earn up to $10 every time a student view your document, which means, guys, every time a student view your document, you're gonna earn money. You can earn up to $10 just for doing that, guys. I see it as an easy job. Everyone can do this. You don't have to go and do special training in order to upload here on this website. You can do this anywhere, wherever you are worldwide, guys. So these are the top earners here on this website right now. So guys, the top earner has earned $76,640. These are people making money here on this website, guys. You can also do your own research about this website. Here's what to upload. You can upload exam preps or practice test. Exam prep material, study guides can be helpful to resource for students. So all assignments, guys, post homework, projects, reports, presentation papers, etc., that student can review as a reference, guys. So you can also upload class notes, detailed class lecture notes to help students learn and understand academic concepts, guys. So you can also share multi-language content. We accept content in all languages from all countries. As I was saying, guys, you can do this anywhere, wherever you are in the world. You can do this and upload these to this website in all the languages all around the world. Anyone can do this, guys. And then for doing that, you'll end up to $10, guys, whenever a student review your documents. So it will depend on how many documents you post here on this website. You can just turn on your study guide page by page, and then upload all the pages there on your study guide and start earning here on this website. And they have multiple transfer payment, guys. They use PayPal, bank transfer. You can choose whatever payment option that you would like to be paid on, guys. Most of you I know like PayPal, guys. So after that, you can drag and drop your files here. They use all these extensions right over here. They use JPEG, PNG, JPJ, GIF, JPEG, PNG, GPG, guys, GIF. All these extensions, they are using them, guys. As I mentioned, guys, you're gonna be making money just by selling your study documents here on this website, guys. Let me know what you think about this website in the comment section below. I love to hear from you. And if you find value in this video, can you please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload another money making website, guys. So guys, once again, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.